In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit blocks in AutoCAD. Blocks in AutoCAD are a great way to manage repetitive elements in your design, and knowing how to edit them can be incredibly useful for maintaining consistency and making efficient changes across your drawings. Let's start by selecting the block you want to edit. Simply click on the block in your drawing to highlight it. Once you've selected it, you'll need to type BDIT in the command line. This is a powerful command that essentially opens up your selected block in an editing mode. After you've typed BDIT, be sure to press Enter. Doing this will take you directly into the Block Editor. Now, the Block Editor is a specialized workspace where you can make modifications to your block. It's important to note that any changes you make here will automatically be applied to all instances of this block throughout your drawing. This is a feature of blocks that greatly aids in efficiency because it eliminates the need to edit each block individually. Once you're in the block editor, take a moment to assess what changes you want to implement. Whether it's altering the geometry, adjusting text elements, or changing properties. This is your opportunity to make those edits. Feel free to explore the various tools and commands available within the editor to achieve the desired result for your block. After you've completed your modifications, the next step is to close the block editor. This is a straightforward process. Look for the Close Block Editor option, which can usually be found in the toolbar or as a button within the workspace. Click on it when you're ready, and this will exit the editor and bring you back to your main drawing interface. Once you return to the main drawing, you'll see that the changes have been applied to all instances of the block automatically. This is one of the key advantages of using blocks in AutoCAD. The ability to make widespread edits from a single location saves a tremendous amount of time and effort. If you'd like to double-check your changes, you can simply look at other instances of the modified block throughout your drawing to ensure consistency. And there we have it. Editing blocks in AutoCAD can be a powerful tool for managing your drawings more effectively. By using the block editor, you're able to maintain a uniform look across your projects while still having the flexibility to make necessary adjustments. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it makes your design work smoother and more efficient. Don't hesitate to explore other commands and features in AutoCAD that can further enhance your design process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.